Understanding bread loaf pan in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of the phrase, bread loaf pan. This phrase might sound simple, but it's packed with interesting nuances in the English language. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding such phrases can greatly enhance your English skills. Let's dive in. Bread loaf pan is a compound noun, meaning it is made up of two or more words that function as a single noun. Let's break it down. Bread refers to a staple food made from flour and water, often baked. Loaf describes the shape or form that the bread takes, typically a rectangular or oblong shape. Pan is a type of kitchenware used for baking or cooking. When combined, bread loaf pan refers to a specific type of pan designed for baking bread in the shape of a loaf. Understanding the context where bread loaf pan is used is crucial. It's commonly found in cooking and baking. Recipes or cooking instructions often mention this pan. Kitchenware stores. It's a common item in stores selling baking supplies. Culinary discussions. Chefs or cooking enthusiasts might use this term when discussing baking techniques. Knowing the context helps you understand the phrase better and use it appropriately in conversations or writing. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Visualizing a bread loaf pan can help solidify your understanding. It's usually rectangular, deep, and made from materials like metal or silicone, specifically designed to shape and bake bread. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning of bread loaf pan in English. Remember, understanding such specific phrases can greatly enhance your language skills and confidence in using English. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.